For centuries, across cultures and continents, rosemary has been more than just a fragrant herb. It has symbolized remembrance, a poignant emblem woven into the fabric of human history. Its aromatic leaves have carried deep meaning. From Greek scholars who believed it enhanced memory, to Shakespeare's Ophelia, who spoke of it as a symbol of fidelity and recollection, rosemary's association with memory is deeply rooted. But what if this folklore, passed down through generations, holds a profound scientific truth? What if the ancients intuited something we are only now beginning to understand through rigorous research? Could the compounds within rosemary and its herbal cousin, sage, offer a tangible defense against the devastating effects of Alzheimer's disease? Could these common kitchen herbs hold the key to preserving cognitive function? Modern research is now venturing into this intriguing possibility, meticulously isolating and analyzing the active compounds within these herbs, seeking to understand their mechanisms of action. This is a journey moving from the realm of tradition and anecdotal evidence to the precision and validation of rigorous science, where hypotheses are tested and results are scrutinized. The focus is laser sharp, centered on measurable effects, quantifiable changes in brain function and cellular health. Specifically, the research explores how these plants might offer a protective shield for brain health, mitigating the damage caused by age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Alzheimer's disease, a condition marked by progressive memory loss, cognitive impairment, and the toxic buildup of amyloid plaques and tau tangles in the brain, desperately needs innovative and effective solutions. Current treatments offer limited relief, underscoring the urgent need for new therapeutic approaches. The idea of a natural, accessible, and potentially preventative treatment, derived from something as simple as an herb, is not only scientifically exciting, opening new avenues for research, but also deeply hopeful, offering a beacon of possibility for those affected by this devastating illness. Researchers have now identified a particularly promising compound, a natural extract that shows remarkable potential that could potentially revolutionize Alzheimer's therapy, offering a new strategy for slowing the progression of the disease and improving the quality of life for patients. This story represents a fascinating intersection, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom passed down through generations and the cutting-edge advancements of modern medicine. It's a narrative filled with hope, offering a glimmer of possibility for millions of individuals and families grappling with the challenges of cognitive decline. Let's delve deeper and explore how a humble herb, often found in our gardens and kitchens, could hold the key to protecting our minds and preserving our memories. The spotlight is on carnosic acid, a fascinating molecule that's garnering significant attention in the scientific community. It's a naturally occurring compound, and its unique properties are what make it so interesting to researchers. We're going to delve into what makes carnosic acid special and why it holds so much promise for future therapies. This remarkable compound is found in abundance in rosemary and sage, two herbs that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary practices. But it's only recently that scientists have begun to truly understand the potential benefits that carnosic acid offers, particularly in the realm of brain health. Carnosic acid acts as both antioxidant, scavenging harmful free radicals that can damage cells, and anti-inflammatory, reducing swelling and irritation in the body and brain. These dual properties make it a particularly attractive target for researchers looking to combat age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. These are key defenses against Alzheimer's, a devastating disease that affects millions worldwide. The ability of carnosic acid to address multiple aspects of the disease process is what sets it apart. It calms brain inflammation, a major contributor to neuronal damage and cognitive impairment. By reducing this inflammation, carnosic acid can help protect vulnerable brain cells, and it shields nerve cells from oxidative stress, a process where unstable molecules damage cells, leading to dysfunction and ultimately cell death. These are both major drivers of cognitive decline, contributing to memory loss and impaired thinking. Carnosic acid's ability to combat both inflammation and oxidative stress offers a comprehensive approach to protecting brain health. Unlike past focus on amyloid plaques, which were once thought to be the primary cause of Alzheimer's, scientists now see inflammation as a central culprit, playing a significant role in the development and progression of the disease. This shift in understanding has opened new avenues for research and treatment. Carnosic acid's dual action, its ability to target both inflammation and oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and neutralizing free radicals, makes it a particularly promising candidate for therapeutic intervention. This makes it a prime candidate for therapy. offering a potential new approach to preventing and treating Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative conditions. But it's not as simple as eating more rosemary. While incorporating rosemary into your diet is certainly a healthy choice, turning this molecule into medicine is complex, requiring sophisticated extraction, purification, and delivery methods. Extracting, stabilizing, and delivering carnosic acid to the brain, where it can exert its beneficial effects, is a major scientific challenge, requiring innovative solutions and cutting-edge research. The journey from plant to pill, from a natural compound to a viable therapeutic agent, is filled with obstacles, demanding rigorous testing and careful optimization at every stage. But the potential is enormous, offering hope for new treatments and preventative strategies for Alzheimer's and other age-related cognitive disorders. Researchers are determined, driven by the promise of this natural compound, to harness this natural molecule's power and unlock its full therapeutic potential. The next step, overcoming its instability, a key hurdle in developing carnosic acid-based therapies and ensuring it reaches the brain, effectively crossing the blood-brain barrier to deliver its protective benefits. Let's see how science tackled these hurdles, exploring the innovative approaches researchers are taking to unlock the full potential of carnosic acid. Carnosic acid's biggest flaw? Instability. Once extracted, it quickly degrades in air and light, losing its potency. This makes it nearly impossible to create a reliable, shelf-stable medicine. Consistent dosage and stability are essential for any approved drug, but carnosic acid's fragility made this nearly impossible. Even if stabilized, the digestive system and blood-brain barrier pose further obstacles. Many natural compounds break down before reaching the brain. Scientists needed a way to protect carnosic acid from degradation and ensure it could cross into the brain. The challenge: make the molecule stable, absorbable, and brain-accessible. For years, this problem stalled progress, but innovation would soon unlock its potential. Scientists at Scripps Research engineered a solution, diacetylcarnosic acid, or DIACA. By attaching protective acetyl groups, they stabilized carnosic acid, creating a robust, shelf-stable powder. This prodrug remains inert until gut enzymes activate it, releasing pure carnosic acid for absorption. DIACA delivers about 20% more active compound to the bloodstream than natural carnosic acid. This means lower doses, better safety, and reliable effects. The breakthrough transformed a fragile molecule into a viable drug candidate. DIACA bridges the gap between herbal promise and clinical reality. Now, researchers could finally test its effects in living brains. To truly assess its potential, researchers focused on Alzheimer's mouse models, meticulously designed to mimic the disease's progression in humans. These models allowed them to observe the effects of DIACA on cognitive function and brain pathology in a controlled environment. The results were remarkable, a genuine breakthrough that sparked excitement throughout the research team. After treatment with DIACA, the mice demonstrated a significant recovery. Treated mice regained lost memory and performed just as well as their healthy counterparts in a series of cognitive tests designed to evaluate learning and memory. DIACA didn't just slow the cognitive decline, it went a step further. The treatment reversed existing memory loss and astonishingly restored synapse density, bringing the brain's connections back to a healthier state. New synapses formed, indicating a revitalization of the brain's communication network. This suggested the brain was actively repairing itself, initiating a regenerative process at the cellular level. Crucially, toxic proteins like amyloid beta and tau, which are hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease, were significantly reduced, alleviating their damaging effects on brain cells. The drug tackled Alzheimer's on multiple fronts, a comprehensive strategy to combat the disease's complex pathology. It was improving memory, rebuilding neural connections that had been lost to the disease, and clearing harmful proteins that contribute to neuronal damage. Furthermore, inflammation, a key driver of neurodegeneration, dropped dramatically, creating a healthier brain environment, more conducive to neuronal survival and function. This multi-pronged approach, addressing multiple aspects of the disease simultaneously, is exactly what's needed for complex and multifaceted diseases like Alzheimer's, where a single target approach often falls short. The remarkable success observed in these mouse models paves the way for human trials, bringing hope closer to reality for those affected by Alzheimer's. The scientific community is watching with real optimism, eager to see if these promising results can be replicated in humans and ultimately lead to a new treatment for this devastating disease. DIACA's genius lies in its targeted action. It activates only in inflamed, stressed brain regions, leaving healthy tissue untouched. This precision minimizes side effects and maximizes safety. Mouse studies showed excellent tolerance, even at high doses. Unexpectedly, Diaxia also reduced inflammation in the digestive tract, hinting at broader benefits. Its targeted mechanism sets it apart from other Alzheimer's drugs, which often cause unwanted side effects. Diaxia could be used alone or alongside existing therapies, potentially reducing risks like brain swelling. This smart, inflammation-activated approach is a major leap forward. The future of Alzheimer's treatment may be both safer and more effective. Professor Stuart Lipton, lead scientist at Scripps, explains their unique approach. Instead of just targeting amyloid plaques, they focused on reducing inflammation and oxidative stress to restore synapses. Diaxia increased synapse numbers and improved memory, restoring function, not just slowing decline. The drug also reduced toxic proteins, addressing the root causes of Alzheimer's. Less inflammation led to fewer plaques and tangles, creating a virtuous cycle of brain health. This marks a strategic shift in Alzheimer's research, targeting neuroinflammation as a primary goal. Diaca's success in animal models validates this new direction. The next step, rigorous human trials to confirm these promising results. The groundwork is set for a new era in Alzheimer's therapy. Diaca's benefits may reach far beyond Alzheimer's. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers could help in diseases like Parkinson's, diabetes, and heart disease. Chronic inflammation underlies many modern illnesses, making Diaca a versatile candidate. Its safety profile supports long-term use in combination with other therapies. In Alzheimer's, it could enhance current treatments and reduce side effects. The potential for broader impact is enormous. One plant-derived compound, many possible uses. Diaca could become a cornerstone in treating inflammation-driven diseases. For families facing Alzheimer's, Diaxia offers real hope. It combines ancient herbal wisdom with modern science, delivering a stable, targeted, and safe therapy. With carnosic acid already recognized as safe, human trials could progress quickly. If successful, Diaca could slow or even reverse cognitive decline, restoring quality of life. This marks a shift from merely managing symptoms to actually healing the brain. The journey from Rosemary to revolutionary medicine is underway. Science, tradition, and innovation are converging to fight Alzheimer's. Stay tuned for updates and share this story to spread hope.